Hi guys, this is Kudo, and today in this video I will show you how you can know the time left on an audio source and how to know if it's finished or not. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to check my other video on the audio script. I will put a link here. And let's take back our script. So we left with this script. And to this script, I will add one more field. So let's create a field. So let's serialize it. So serialize field. All right. And let's text mesh pro. Yeah, I need using TMP Pro. So I need this DLL for showing you the time left on the audio source. So let's add a text mesh pro GUI. All right. And let's call it time left. Time left. All right. So this will show you how much time is left it on the audio source when I play it. So another variable I need it's a float. So let's call it float time left audio. All right. And what I need, it's an enumerator. So enumerator, my coroutine time left audio. So this one basically is for my to call my coroutine, and this one is for the float. So to let me know how much time is left it. So after this, I will need to create a function. So let's call it here. So let's call it enumerator, and let's call it time left on audio. All right. And you will take in parameter a float. So float the time spent on the audio, time spent, and an audio source. Audio source. All right. It will be my audio. All right. Audio. Okay. So what I'm gonna do it's while time spent. So while time spent is lower than my audio dot clip dot length. So this clip dot length will refer to the audio. So this give me the length of my audio. So basically, if my audio maybe it's 1 minute and a half, so it's basically 90 seconds. So if time spent is lower than my audio clip length, and I check if my audio is playing, so if I play the audio, what I'm gonna do, I just want to say time spent will be equal at time spent sorry yes time spent plus time dot delta uh, time dot delta time. All right, so basically here what we saying is just I incrementate the time spent. So by the time dot delta time, very easy. And time left audio will be equal to my audio dot clip length, and I think you guessed it, dot clip dot length minus my time spent. And with that, I can basically know how much time is left it. So, and for showing you that on the Text Mesh Pro, what I'm going to do is time left dot text will be equal to time left audio dot toString. All right, toString. Okay, and do not forget to put yield return null. Oops, return. Yeah, return null. All right. So my coroutine is here, and what I want to do, let's create a start function, void start function, void start, and let's say my coroutine left on audio will be equal to time left audio. All right, time left audio, and you will take in parameter audio source dot time, comma, and the audio source. So that's it. So I initialize my coroutine, and because I want to call it maybe when I want, maybe when I press a button or something like that, let's create another function. So let's call it void call coroutine, coroutine. And what I want to do, so each time I will press on my button, what I want to do, I want to stop the current coroutine. So I will stop my coroutine, time left on audio, and let's again reinitialize my coroutine, and let's start it. So start coroutine, and let's start my coroutine. So with that, what it's good to know, you will, if I don't know, if I stop this audio and I play it again, it will take this in parameter because I use audio source.time. All right. So just save everything and let's head back to Unity and let's create our mesh. So UI Text Mesh Pro, and all right, let's put it that bigger. So let's say 500 by 500. Let's add more polish. So font. Sorry, font size, and let's center it. Took, took. And let's change maybe the color because the color is not great. Let's put it maybe in black, it will be better. And maybe yeah, I think that's it. That should be fine. All right. And what I'm gonna do is on my audio, just drag and drop time left. All right. You can erase main text. We don't need it. And maybe in the canvas and the text, don't put it on the it's just for showing you, so it doesn't really matter. It will be easier, I think, if in the script I just add another key. So let's say when I press space, um, or maybe if I press another button, maybe if input, so input dot get key down, get key down. Let's say maybe key code dot k. But it really doesn't matter. You can use it on the button. It's just fine. And let's call my coroutine. So call coroutine. Okay. And let's try it. So basically, I call my coroutine when I press K, and I drag it and drop it on my audio, and let's try it. So if I hit play, I need to start my audio, so I will press space to start my audio. If it's working or it's not working. Oh, sorry, this is how I know why it's not working. Sure, if I mute the audio, will not work. So again, let's press play, let's press space, and as you can hear my music, and as soon as I press K, you will see. And there it is, guy. Let's hit pause. And again, if I see my code right now, so if I press, for example, if I want to, let's create another script, right? And what I'm gonna do, um, let's create if input.key down maybe B, for example. I want to stop my music. Code.b, let me stop my music. Uh, okay, all right. if okay, what's wrong? Yeah, I forget parentheses. And let's say audiosource.stop. Audiosource.stop because I need that. So all right, okay, all right. Let's head back to Unity. And what I want to do, it's maybe put a bigger font size, maybe 70. Let's test it. Yeah, I think it's bigger enough. All right. Let's save it. And right now, let's press space to begin my coroutine, to begin the content, so the audio. So as you can see, nothing showing. And as soon as press K, as you can see the number is decreasing since my audio is continue to playing. So now let's press B for stopping my music. And as you can see, my music is stopping. And remember, in the function, when I press A, I can play a sound at the specific sound. So basically, if I play my sound out 88 seconds, it should it should showing not 144 but something around 60 because I can't remember. But my music, I guess my music right now, it's let's say it's 2 minutes and 43 seconds, so it's 6 and 6, so 120 plus 43, so it's 163. So minus 88, so let's say minus 90. It should see, let's put a round number. Let's put like 100. So 100.0f, for example. And it should showing 63. So let's head back to Unity. I'm still on play. Oh, let's again hit play. And the command for specific time is A. So okay. And if I hit space, if I hit K, as you can see, the number is showing. Let's test with another number. So maybe it's normal it's not showing 60 because I call the coroutine after I play maybe a little second after. So it's normal. So let's say maybe 100 and 140. And let's head back to Unity and let's hit play. And again, if I hit A, it will play my sound at a specific sound of 140. And as soon as press K, as you can see, 20 is showing. So it's 80 seconds, 70, 60, 50, etc. second left to my music to finish. Alright, so now you know. So let's extend our code to finish it with this tutorial. So let's create another function. Let's create a boolean and let's call it check end of audio. Sorry, check of audio. And this very easy function, let's return audio source dot time lower than audio source audio source dot clip dot length. So I will use the ternary operator, so false or true. So if you don't familiar with that, I will put a link here on my video to return you on the ternary system. And let's check this. Let's call this function on my update function. Let's say maybe let's say debug dot log, and let's say check audio clip, and let not put 140, but let maybe put 155 to be nearly at the end of my audio. So let's head back to Unity. So basically here, I didn't explain it, sorry. So if my audio source time is lower than my audio source clip.length, I will return false, else I will return true. So as soon as my time is equal or superior to my audio source clip.length, it thinks, it say my audio source is finished. So let's head back to Unity and let's press play. Again, let's press A to play a specified time, so 155. And as soon as this audio will work, let's press K. So alright, and K. So 6, and as you can see on the console, still false, still false, still false, still false. And as soon as reach, and as you can see, turn to true. Alright, so that's it guys for this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, thumb up, and if you don't like it, so dislike and help me to improve again. Sorry if I misspell some word in English. Again, it's not my native language. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I catch you guys next time. Sorry for this long outro. See you guys. Bye bye.